Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button record screen. By holding a finger on it you can, nothing happens, I guess. No settings for it, okay. So in order to start recording, we just tap on it once, and basically recording starts immediately. Let's record some of our screen. So to stop recording, you go to the upper bar and tap here, stop. And now you can find your recordings in gallery, in the screenshots, in the screen records album. And here it is. So yeah, from here you can share, delete, trim, mute your recording and see its details too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.